or for some reason your iPhone hotspot is not working out or you cannot activate it. Now, number one, the very big thing to keep in mind here is that if you're trying to go through and then open up your hotspot, you will have to go through and make sure you have some sort of cell phone carrier. So start off by going inside of your iPhone settings and going through and basically making your way over to that personal hotspot option. If personal hotspot doesn't even show up at all, just like how it's grayed out for me, that means you don't have hotspot capability in your phone. The reason I do not have hotspot capability on this phone is because I don't have a single SIM card installed here. So that is why that's the case. So go through, make sure you have some sort of SIM card installed onto your device. That is kind of one of the bigger things to keep in mind here for the most part. Now, another thing to keep in mind here too is that if you're running into this type of problem, another thing you're going to want to do here too is to make sure that you have that hotspot capability from your cell phone carrier. So you might have to call your cell phone carrier, make sure that's the case. You can also try restarting your phone. So go through, hold down the volume up button, the power button on your iPhone, slide to power off, and go ahead, slide to completely power off that device, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. Which for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. If that's still not working, you can try updating your iPhone. So try going through and try updating your iPhone right there, because that might be the way you can go and fix this problem as well. If that's still not working, you might want to just double check that you do have a SIM card installed into your device or an eSIM, and you want to double check and make sure that's not the problem. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.